Hello viewers, this is Yakub sir. Welcome to Boyan Study Circle. So today topic location of India, Indian geography. First topic, that is location of India. Location of India. Location of India, right? So I am drawing the India map. Please clearly observe the India map I have to draw. See friends, this is India. Excuse me. This is India. Okay, this is India map. So topic is location of India, extension of India. India, which is situated in northern hemisphere. You know globe, right? This is globe. This is globe. So if you observe the globe, there are some vertical lines, which lines are passes from north pole to south pole, vertical lines, and some lines are horizontal lines. These are imaginary lines. These are imaginary lines. So which lines are passes horizontally? So those are latitudes, lines which are runs horizontally from west to east or east to west. Those are latitude. So the great latitude, the great longest latitude, that is equator. This equator divides this earth into two equal parts. From equator to north side, northern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. From equator to southern side, this is southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. So how many latitudes are there? You know the meaning of latitudes? Latitudes are which are horizontal lines from runs west to east or east to west. There are 181 latitudes. There are 181 latitudes are there. How many latitudes are there? 181 latitudes. See, equator, from equator to there are 90 latitudes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 90 latitudes. From equator to south side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 90 latitudes. So 90 latitudes. 90 plus northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere 90 latitudes. In southern hemisphere 90 latitude. Plus the great circle, that is equator, plus 1. Total how many latitudes? 181 latitudes. Clearly? Right. So there are some main latitudes, important latitudes. Those are 23 degrees and of north latitude. North, this is northern hemisphere, na? This is 23 degrees, 23 and of degrees north latitude, called as Tropic of Cancer. 66 and of north latitude, called as Arctic Circle. This is Arctic Circle. And 90 degrees north latitude, it is North Pole. This is 90 degrees is North Pole. This is North Pole. Come to southern hemisphere. 23 and half degrees south. 23 and half degrees south latitude, called as Tropic of Capricorn. This is Capricorn. and 66.5 degrees south latitude, it is called as Antarctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, and 90 degrees south is South Pole. These are latitude. So, observe the India, coming to the India. So, excuse me, start, continue. So, coming to India, right? India situated in northern hemisphere. So, India situated in this part, northern hemisphere, so, right? Latitude wise, India situated in northern hemisphere, then northern hemisphere in this part, India situated in this part, northern hemisphere. Come to the longitudes. Longitudes are semicircles. Longitudes are semicircle. So, how many longitudes are there? There are 360 longitudes. 360 longitudes. Longitudes are vertical lines which are connecting the North Pole to South Pole or South Pole to North Pole. So, these are longitudes. Longitudes are vertical lines or semicircles. So, these are longitudes. So, how many latitudes? Longitudes, 360 longitudes. See, 0 degree longitude called as a Greenwich meridian, Greenwich mean time, Greenwich meridian. From Greenwich mean time, Greenwich meridian to western side 180 longitudes. From 0 degree longitude, that is Greenwich mean meridian to eastern side, there are 180 longitudes and 1 Greenwich mean time. So, there is no 180 degree east and there is 180 degrees west, only one line. So, total how many longitudes are there? Total 360 longitudes. So, total how many longitudes? 360 longitudes. See, if sun has to cross the one longitude to another longitude, it takes 4 minutes time. Sun has to cross one longitude to another longitude, it took 4 minutes time. So, 4 minutes time. So, total on globe how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. Total how many longitudes? 360 into 360 longitudes. So, 4 minutes into 360 longitudes, nothing but 1440 minutes. So, sun has to cross 360 degrees longitudes, 360 longitudes, it takes 440 minutes, right? You have to convert these minutes into hours. So, cancelled by 60, divided by 60, 0 to 0 get cancelled, 6 2 ja 12, 2 is remainder, 6 4 ja 24. So, 24 hours. Got it? How can we calculate the time from one longitude to another longitude? So, if you know the clear information about the longitude, you may assume the time of any country throughout the world. Worldwide, you can guess what is the time of particular country. So, there are 360 longitudes. Sun has to cross one longitude to another longitude. It takes 4 minutes time. Total 360 into 4, 440 minutes. 440 minutes nothing but 24 hours. So, a day nothing but 24 hours. In a 24 hours, sun or earth rotate around the sun in a day. Right, clear? This is about the longitude. Now, come to the, so longitude wise, India situated in eastern hemisphere. From Greenwich meridian, this is Greenwich meridian. From meridian to east side, this is east side. While we are drawing the map, while we are observing the map, top always north direction, bottom always south direction, right side, while you facing the north, right side is east direction, this is east, and left side, that is west. This is west direction, this is east direction, this is north, and this is south direction, right. Longitude wise, India situated in eastern hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere, and this one western hemisphere, western hemisphere. So western hemisphere. So latitude, see here, latitude wise, India situated in northern hemisphere, this part, right. Longitude wise, India situated in eastern hemisphere. So which part is coordinates? So this part is coincide and coordinates. So India situated in this part. Latitude wise, India situated in northern hemisphere. Longitude wise, India situated in eastern hemisphere. So observe this. So observe this, longitude and latitude wise. So India situated in this part. This is India. So India situated in these parts. Clear? Next, coming to the India. India, it is the 7th largest country in the world, 7th largest country. So before us, before our country, there are 6 countries. Those are Russia, Canada, America, China, Brazil, Australia, and 7th one, India. The 8th largest country, that is Argentina. So India area wise, it is a 7th largest country, and it is the second high populated country. Second high populated country, nothing but population wise, this is the second position. Area wise, it is the 7th position. So it is the second high populated country in the world after the China. Okay. Then extension of, coming to the extension of India. Extension of India. India situated 8 degrees, this is 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. So before this we clearly explain about the latitudes. So this is 0 degree 1 2 3 up to 90 degrees. So India, this is India. This is India. So India situated from 8 degrees north latitude, 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees, this is 37 degrees 6 minutes. India situated between 4 degrees 8 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Clear? Then come to the longitude wise. Longitude wise, India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes longitude wise. See, so this is 0 degree, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So India lies 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes. This is 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitude. So the extension of India, which is lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitudes. Okay. Then the length of India, from north to south, there is from north to south 3214 kilometers. So the length of India from south to north or north to south, that is 3214 kilometers. From west to east or east to west, the length of India is 2933 kilometers. 2932 kilometers. Right. India's geographical boundary nothing but the neighboring countries, the border countries. So geographical boundary from Gujarat to so this is West Bengal. So the geographical boundary length is 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers. The maritime boundary, nothing but seashore, sea coast boundary. So this is maritime boundary from Gujarat to Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Maritime boundary, sea coast boundary is 6,100 kilometers. 6,000. Let's see. There are some islands. Lakshadweep. These are Lakshadweep. And these are Andaman Nicobar. These are Andaman Nicobar Islands. Including island, the maritime boundary of India is 7,516 kilometers. India's coastal line length, including island, is 7,516 kilometers. So the last, this is Indira Point, which is in Andaman Nicobar. So India lies, including islands, this is 6 degrees 4 minutes. India lies, including island, it lies between 6 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. Right. So there are 9 coastal states. 9 coastal states. Those are, this is Gujarat, this is Maharashtra, this is Goa, this is Kerala, Karnataka, and this is Kerala, and this means Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Right. These are 9 coastal states, and coastal areas called as different names. See, Maharashtra Goa region, the coastal area called as Konkan coast. Konkan coast. Right. And Karnataka state coastal area called as Canara coast. Canara coast. And Kerala coastal region called as Malabar coast. See, Malabar, there is a gold and diamonds, right? Canara, it is a bank. Konkani language, which is widely speaking in Maharashtra and Goa. Then Tamil Nadu coastal region called as Sarkar, Coromandel coast, and Andhra Pradesh coastal region called as Sarkar coast, and Orissa called as Utkal coast. These are coastal regions. Next, coming to the Indian Standard Time. What is Indian Standard Time? 82.5 degrees. 82.5 degrees east longitude. So India Standard Time, it is 82.5 degrees east longitude. 82.5 degrees east longitude. This is Indian Standard Time. This Indian Standard Time 5.5 hours before the Greenwich Mean Time. 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. See, how can we get the 5.5 hours? So, we discussed earlier, sun has to cross 1 degree to another degree, it took 4 minutes time. So, how many degrees are there? 82 degrees and half, 5.5 into 4 minutes, total 330 minutes. So, 330 minutes convert into hours, just you have to divide the 60, 0 to 0 cancel, 6, 5 ja 30, 3 is remainder and 6.5, 5.5 hours. So, Indian Standard Time add of 5.5 hours to the London time. London nothing but the Greenwich meridian which is passes through the London. Yeah, right. Why we are choosed? Why we are took 82.5 degrees east longitude? Because this 82.5 degrees east longitude which are going center of the middle of the India. See here, this is 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes, right? India extends between 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes, right? So, 68 plus 97, 7, 8, 15, 5 is 1 is remainder, 6, 9, 15 plus 1 is 165, total 165. Divide 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 1 is remainder, 0.5. So, which line runs center of the India? The vertical line which goes center of the India, that is 82.5 degrees east longitude. It is the Indian Standard Time. It goes through 5 states. So, it passes from Allahabad, the famous city which is in UP, and it is passes from the Kakinada which is in Andhra Pradesh. So, this is Indian Standard Time, right? Then coming to the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north latitude called as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer which passes center of India. This is 23.5 degrees. This is 23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees nothing but Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees north latitude. It is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer which divides the India into 2 equal parts. From Tropic of Cancer to northern side North India, Tropic of Cancer to south side southern. See here, this Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north latitude which is passes from 7 states, those are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. These are 7 states, right? This is about the India location in Indian geography. Thank you. Thanks for watching.